How to make subpages on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create subpages on your Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your Wix website. Now, this is one of the example websites that I'm creating, and I'll show you how to create a subpage. Simply open up your website and then we'll find this panel right here. Go to Menu and Pages, and then you will be able to check your site pages right here. These are all my website pages, and I want to create a subpage to this page right here which says coming soon. You will find these three dots right here. Click on them and it will open up few settings for you. We have SEO basics, settings, rename, duplicate, and then we have the subpage option right here. Click on subpage and it will allow you to create it as a subpage. Now, my home page will be added as a sub page. Similarly, I can click right here and I can again turn it into a main page. Let's go ahead and create this page as a sub page. So I will again click on these three dots, click on subpage, and it will make it a subpage of an already created page. So if you want to create a brand new subpage, then you can click on add page and first create a page, and then you can simply add it as a subpage of the page you have selected. Let's go ahead and create a brand new subpage. Click on add page. Let's go with a general one. Click on add page. And a new page will be created. You can give it any name you want. Click on done and there you go. This page will be created as a subpage. So if you have selected a subpage option, then you will be able to create as many subpages as you like. And now this page has two subpages and this one has one. This is how you can create subpages on Wix. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.